Amazon just paid somebody for uploading blank pages. And I'm not joking. This notebook, literally, just lines, and is competing with the likes of Stephen King. Today, I'm exposing 13 KDP book ideas that are absolutely crushing it right now, including ones that nobody's talking about, and one that is literally changing the game on how people sell their self-published books. And some of these take 30 minutes to create. And if you're interested in learning more about side hustles and more about KDP, subscribe now and I'll be sharing weekly tips on how to get started. Now let's start with book number 1. Okay, kicking off our search, I found this one here, Summer Draw and Write Journal for Kids. And this is currently ranked 8,581, and the number of sales 350 total, 288 just this month. So it is a hot seller, and it's great for kids that are going out in the summer and ways to keep them engaged in some type of learning. So the next one is 1 question a day journal for kids, 360 days all about me. It's ranked 1891. It's amazing. It has 1,586 sales total, and it currently sells at around $11.70 per month, which is a ton of sales. Another good one for the summer, but also good all year round. So I bet they're going to be making sales all year round. Another one that ties into the summer, but isn't necessarily summer only, is Fishing Logbook for Kids. Observe and record your catches. It's basically an exploring fishing journal book, which is really cute. And it's ranked 44,331. It makes 50 sales per month, total 68 sales, but I see this continuing to climb. Quick reality check. The first 3 books, they're all in the top 1% of their categories. But here's what's crazy. Book number 4 doesn't look like anything fancy or crazy to create, but it's still banking. The bar is so much lower than you think, and let me show you. Next is Card Tricks for Kids, and this is pretty cute. It is ranked 47,324. It makes around 49 sales per month this month, and is total sales 63. This is something you can elaborate on, or you can change up a little bit, but you can also get AI to help you write this book. The next one is Ultimate Home Organization and Cleaning Planner. This is 12 months of household schedules and checklists. It includes daily, weekly, and monthly and annual cleaning checklists, decluttering challenges for every season. So it's seasonal. It has 104 sales this month, 120 total, and a BSR ranking of 25,039. Do you notice a pattern? Every single book solves a super specific problem. Not just journals for summer camp for kids. Not just journal for mom and daughter. The riches are in the niches. Next on our list is a little bit more into the relaxation, adult focused. It's 100 amazing patterns. It's an adult coloring book, fun, easy, and relaxing. So parents might need this for the summer. It's ranked 405, which is incredible. And wait till you see these sales. We have 2,070 for this month. Total 7,407. So don't sleep on coloring books, especially if you can niche them down. This is great. Okay, so next up, this is for adults too. Cuss and Color. So swear word coloring book for women, Cuss and Color editions, fun, easy. You can give it as a gift. It's 24,687 ranked. You have 108 sales for this month and 122 in total. Okay, I have to stop with this one because this is important. If you need more help, there are tons of tools out there. If you aren't good at drawing, but have a vision, then use Midjourney to capture that vision. If you want more of an ebook, use Gamma app. If you don't want to create pages, use Fiverr to hire someone, or BookBolt to buy the interior pages. And let me know if you want more AI tools just for KDP. And next on our list, we have Would You Rather for Kids, 100 silly scenarios and hilarious questions and challenging family fun. It's another one that might be good for this summer. It's a little bit higher ranked, but I see it climbing as we go. Its Kindle version is more of the hot seller right now. So don't sleep on the Kindle versions. If you upload a book, you can see here the sale difference. Okay, so we've just had a few books and I bet you're already thinking which one you want to create first. But wait until you see the next one. It breaks rules and it can lead followers to the book, and it also creates a double income source. It really changed what I thought I knew about KDP and its potential. And next we have that brand that I really wanted to show you because it ties in to another one of the side hustles that I've been telling you about, which is faceless channels. So this is Coco, and if you click on the brand name, which is their name, you can see all the different coloring books that you have here. But if you search this name, you'll see what's driving these sales. We'll just pull up Instagram since that was the first one to pop up. But you'll see here, tons of coloring happening. They literally just color their own coloring books, driving you back to Amazon to sell those books. It's an excellent way to make sure that brand grows and you create more awareness in that category. But look at these books. This is the power of social media, organic marketing. I would not sleep on it. I might do it. And if you're interested in learning more about how to create a faceless channel to drive traffic to your KDP book, you can watch this video here. If you want to learn more about the tools for using faceless channel, you can watch this video here. Okay. Next up, Mom and Me. This is a guided journal for a mother and son. It's super niche, so it's ranked 3,931. The sales this month, 675. Total, 763. So it's a hot seller. I want to see some of these. They have, oh yes. Check out this. This from the publisher. This is the A+ content here. It gives you exactly what you can expect on the inside of these pages, which is exactly what people want to see before they click buy. This is all A+ content. Compare the books. If you have multiple books, like Coco, I'm sure has this as well, make sure this is all in there. The next one is Coloring Journal, coloring planner for adults, teens, kids. You can track all of your coloring goals, pages, and materials. So this one is ranked at 312,000. It makes about 10 total sales, but I can see this one climbing as well. Okay, we're a few books in, and here's the truth. Every person making bank on KDP started by copying what works and improving on it. That's not stealing, that's smart business. And these last two books are my absolute favorite because they're so simple. The next one is definitely more geared towards the summer. The Ultimate Travel Journal for Kids, awesome activities for your adventures. It's currently ranked at 3,254. Total sales, 922. Sales this month, 720. Before I show you book number 13, which might be the easiest on my list, let me be crystal clear. I've shown you all types of books, planners, coloring books, notebooks. They're all crushing it on Amazon. But none of these require writing skills, and none of them need fancy software. You just need to pick one to start. Now let's look at one that could possibly take minutes to create. And last on our list, lucky number 13, kindergarten writing paper with lines for ABC kids. So this is 120 blank handwriting practice paper and dotted lines. Look at the inside. Let's see if there's pictures. Yes, this is all A+ content. Shows you the inside pages are literally practice pages. That's it. If you know how to do a good cover and a good back cover, you can sell lined insides, and let's see how many sales they make. They're ranked 2118, total sales 1416, 900 sales per month. Don't sleep on just lines. Just make sure you could do a good cover and make sure you could do a niche topic. Wow. 13 Amazon KDP books that are absolutely printing money right now, from blank notebooks to planners to coloring books. Every single one of them is solving a problem and getting paid for it. Your weekly mission: pick one book type from this list, go to Amazon, find 5 versions in that niche, look at their 1-star reviews, and create a better version that fixes those complaints. Upload it by the end of the week, and your first sale could come by Monday morning. Which book idea shocked you the most? And don't forget, while you're debating which type of book to create, someone just uploaded their first, third, second, fifth, 700th book. The only difference between KDP winners and everybody else, they upload first, perfect later. Your profitable book is 1 weekend away. Stop overthinking and start uploading. If you want more side hustle ideas, check out this video. And if you want to stay the course and learn more about KDP, check out this video. Thanks for watching.